So with this, with measures of variability, now let's get into the navigational map of summarizing data. So far we have seen measures of central tendency such as mean, median, mode. Then we moved on to measures of dispersion. In measures of dispersion or variability or measures of spread, we have seen a range, variance, standard deviation, interquartile range, and mean absolute deviation. It's called MAD. So now it's time to jump into measures of shapes. So measures of shapes. So in this we will be looking at skewness and kurtosis. So measures of shape, also known as the measures of distribution, provide information about the shape, symmetry, and peakedness of the data distribution. These measures help to understand the overall pattern or behavior of the data set and provide insights into the distribution of values around the central tendency. So again, I'm repeating, measures of shape or measures of distribution provide information about the shape, what shape it is it bell curved, is it skewed, distorted bell curve, distorted right side, distorted left side, or you know it also looks into the peakness, whether it has a high peak or low peak. So overall, it will provide the information about the shape, symmetry, and peakedness of the data distribution. So that's why we call it as measures of shape. So here two important tools that we use are skewness and kurtosis.